Alright, steak lovers, listen up. Are you tired of dry, chewy, or just plain disappointing steaks? Do you dream of that perfectly seared crust? That juicy, melt-in-your-mouth interior? Well, ditch the guesswork because today, we're diving deep into the science of cooking the perfect steak. Forget relying on luck or grandma's old wives' tales. This isn't about magic. It's about understanding the fundamental principles that transform a raw cut of beef into a culinary masterpiece. We're talking temperature, searing, and resting, the holy trinity of steak perfection. In this video, we'll break down exactly what's happening at a molecular level when you apply heat to your steak. You'll learn why hitting the right internal temperature is absolutely crucial, how to achieve that beautiful, flavorful sear, and why resting your steak is not optional. By the end, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to cook a restaurant-quality steak in your own kitchen. Every single time. Let's get cooking. The secrets to steak perfection haven't always been common knowledge. It's a journey built on observation, experimentation, and a healthy dose of culinary curiosity. Our story begins with the basics. Open fire cooking. For centuries, grilling meat was more art than science. You poked, you prodded, you hoped for the best. Enter the early food scientists, like Nicholas Appert. While Appert is best known for canning, his work in the late 18th and early 19th centuries laid the groundwork for understanding how heat interacts with food. Then, in the mid-19th century, Justus von Liebig, a German chemist, delved deep into the Maillard reaction. He wasn't focused solely on steak, but his research explained exactly why searing meat created those delicious, complex flavors and aromas. This was a game changer. The 20th century saw the rise of home economics and a more scientific approach to cooking. Think Fanny Farmer and her meticulous recipe writing. This era brought a focus on precision and repeatability in the kitchen. Finally, in recent decades, chefs like Heston Blumenthal and Nathan Meyer Vold, authors of Modernist Cuisine, have taken steak science to a whole new level. They applied rigorous scientific methodology to every step, from muscle fiber structure to the precise impact of different searing techniques. So, from open fires to lab-grade immersion circulators, the quest for the perfect steak has been a continuous process of discovery. We're standing on the shoulders of culinary giants, ready to build on their knowledge and help you cook the best steak of your life. Okay, so how is all this steak science actually used today? And what kind of impact is it having? It's way bigger than just impressing your friends at a barbecue. That's for sure. Think about restaurants. Top chefs meticulously control temperature using sous vide techniques, ensuring every steak arrives perfectly cooked to the precise doneness requested. They're employing these principles of searing for optimal Maillard reaction, creating those beautiful, flavorful crusts we all crave. And they understand the resting period is vital for even moisture distribution, preventing that dreaded juice explosion when you cut in. This translates to consistently high-quality steaks and happier, returning customers. Beyond fine dining, the science is impacting home cooks too. Digital thermometers are more affordable and widespread than ever. This empowers people to take control and achieve restaurant-quality results in their own kitchens. Suddenly, that intimidating cut of prime rib isn't so daunting. But it's not just about better tasting food. This understanding has implications for food waste as well. By cooking steak accurately, we reduce the likelihood of overcooking and having to throw it away. That's better for your wallet and better for the environment. Furthermore, the growing online community dedicated to grilling and cooking is constantly experimenting and sharing knowledge. From online forums to YouTube channels, the science is being disseminated and refined, leading to innovative techniques and approaches that push the boundaries of what's possible. Think reverse searing, dry aging at home, and even experimenting with different wood types to enhance flavor profiles. It's a constantly evolving landscape, fueled by a shared passion for delicious, scientifically perfected steak. So, let's recap. Perfect steak comes down to understanding the science. Controlling the internal temperature is key for doneness. A hard sear is all about the Maillard reaction and building flavor. And resting allows those juices to redistribute, giving you a more tender and flavorful bite. Nail these three, and you're well on your way to steakhouse quality at home. Looking ahead, I think we'll see even more innovation in sous vide technology and precise temperature control, making consistently perfect steak even more accessible to everyone. Imagine affordable gadgets that guide you through the entire process, from thawing to slicing. If you enjoyed demystifying the science of steak with me, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more culinary deep dives. And give this video a like if you're ready to fire up that grill and put your newfound knowledge to the test. Happy cooking!